hydrated and ready for round 2, Xmondo. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is trying Xmondo Electric Rain Moisture Cream. Ooh, it's so pretty. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday to help give your look a kiss. Also, feel free to comment down below if you've tried XMONDO hair care or styling products. Tell me what your experience was like. Tell me if the product's working for you, against you. Is there another product line you'd like me to try? Go ahead and leave me a comment. I'm getting to all of them and formulating some great content-based videos for you guys. So stay tuned. I'm getting to it. There's just a lot on the list I'm trying to get through. And you know, I stay busy. I'm a New York City hairstylist and business owner, and you know who else is a New York City hairstylist? Mondo. Guys, I have been seeing him all over social media, YouTube, and I'm seeing his products, and I got really excited. So I went ahead and ordered 2 products. One of his hair colors, the Xmondo Hair Healing Color in Super Pink. You can check out this video. Really enjoying it. That's what's in my hair right now. It's actually like super fresh in there. So feeling great about this product. Check out the video. So now we're gonna look at the moisture cream. Okay, let's check this bad boy out. What are we going to be looking for in our moisture cream? So first things first, let's talk about packaging. I do love the simplicity of this packaging. I love the metallic lettering. It's eye-catching, it's simple, it's sleek, it's very professional, it's very polished, it's very like salon. This is 5 fluid ounces and retails on xmondohair.com for $28. Yeah, that's about what I would expect for a good conditioning leave-in product, especially if it has kind of a style hold and like a bit of frizz control, you know, all the goodness. So what am I looking for in the product itself? We're going to look at the consistency of the product. Is it easy to control? Is it creamy, oily, cakey? So is it easy to apply, control, get into the hair without being an absolute mess, or is it just hard to move around? You know what I mean. Then we're gonna look at saturation of the product. Does this product move through the hair easily and distribute evenly? We're gonna look at perfumes, or rather, we're gonna sniff at perfumes. I'm a little sensitive to perfumes and fragrances, so typically I like something that has a light fragrance, or even something a little musky, or not too heavy in the florals. Maybe something coconutty, not too fruity. You know what I mean? It's just very bothersome. Or something that just smells very chemically. Does it have a fragrance? Do I like the fragrance? Am I getting sensitive to it? Am I having an allergy to it? Does this aroma linger in the hair after using, drying? You know, is there a lasting aroma, or is it just when it's concentrated and you're using it? My hair is clean. I just used that Xmondo color. So she's deep conditioned. She's just blow dried with nothing else in it. And this product says damp or dry hair. Okay, so here we go. Distribute a generous amount to damp or dry hair starting at the ends and working your way up. Finish, style, and strike a pose. Let's go. Made in the USA. That's probably way too much. There is a little bit of aroma to it, but it's more like clean, fruity, lightly floral. So the product says start at the ends, and then we're gonna work our way through. It doesn't say to take it down to the scalp. It doesn't feel like it would be a heavy product to have on my scalp though. Oh, that fragrance does kind of linger. That's a little bit for me. Maybe it dissipates as you wear it. I'm gonna go ahead and run my blow dryer through just one more time to really smooth in and seal in the product. I feel like maybe this product might work better on damp hair because there is a little bit of a feeling left, but I like how that's giving my hair a little bit of hold. And it gave it a little bit of shine too, so there we go. Not mad at this. You know what? I'm gonna say, yeah. Solid leave-in product. I can work with this. I'm gonna try this with a few blowout clients and see how I like this. But so far, I'm into it. Great, ticks all my boxes. And definitely, I love that we got some frizz control out of this. That is wonderful. I feel like it kind of amplified the color, which makes me. Are these meant to work all together? Does the whole system? Further research is needed. So thank you guys so much for joining me while we checked out Xmondo Electric Rain Moisture Cream leave-in product. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like right down below. Share, subscribe. I'm gonna be here with you guys every Tuesday to help give your look a kiss. You can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. You can check me out at giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area, book an appointment with me, Kiss, here in the kissing booth. We will have a great time. But until then, guys, give your hair a kiss.